So today's prompt is a fun one. So this is, a sales one, or even a great prompt for somebody who's maybe just starting in sales. And the prompt we're going to use today is role play as a hesitant prospect who's worried about budget. Help me practice handling that objection in natural conversation. So we're basically asking to have a conversation with the AI to help us practice, what we may run into in real life when we're talking to a real life prospect. So let's see here. The prospect says, I like what you're offering, but honestly, I'm worried about the budget. We don't have a lot of extra money to spend right now. And basically they're saying, your time to talk. So what are you going to say? Let's just pick something. We'll go through, a little bit of the back and forth here. So they're talking about how they don't have a bunch of money to spend right now. And we'll just say, not investing in we'll just say something generic like that. If they don't invest in cybersecurity, it can cost them more money down the line. Let's see what he says. Oh, we already feel like everything's costing more. We're just trying to keep the lights on and payroll covered. And then basically leaving it off to me to have another conversation here. Let's just say if a cyber incident now so let's just say, hey, a cyber incident occurred right now while you were struggling. Do you believe you would survive? So, and then you see you just going back and forth here, and because we told it to be, exactly what we told it to be, somebody who's worried about budget. So you could obviously change whatever you want their objection to be, and then just keep running through the exercise, maybe changing the objection, loading your ICP information. So this is just a great tool for your sales team to practice. And then the other great thing is that you can share these chats with a leadership team or maybe your mentor, so you could have them critique and go back and forth on everything that you did here and maybe help you along.